Hey everyone, welcome to Underdog Art Studios. My name is Harry. I hope you hit like, subscribe, follow, leave a comment below, hit the notification bell for updates on videos when I drop them. So the drawing I'm working on right now is Chainsaw Man. I love the manga. I can't wait for the anime to come out. But I'm gonna get to the point now. This is mixed media. It's inks, watercolors. I use some white out. No, it's not white out. I'm sorry, acrylic white, and some red acrylic paint to do a little blood effects and all that good stuff. But I hope you like video. I hope you like the drawing. And also, on the moment of this video, the light goes out. I had to run and turn it back on. You might see it. It might happen in a split second. But yeah. So let me know if it looked just like Chainsaw Man. Let me know in comments below, and I'll see y'all next time.